Excuse me,
Aí
gentlemen,
de orar,
boys.
segundo hot chocolate.
Oh, I like their pretend skeleton set, and they're very cute.
Here.
That's terrific. I love the glass up top, Stefan. Look how pretty that is. Etched.
So wig rack. Handbrake.
Spider.
We're in a railway post office car.
Orange spider.
Railway RPO car. Railway post office car.
Are you guys riding right up front in the train?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, it was really cool. They
How
call
was
it a
that?
cab ride.
Oh,
It was
wow, that's
fun. We came last week and made a reservation
Oh,
to do it.
awesome.
He's been waiting for so long.
Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Yeah, so cool.
All the skeletons and spiders.
It's cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like the spiders.
Oh, there's a ramp.
I mean, I don't like real spiders, but I think these spiders are
Let's go over to this one really fast. Won't take only take a second. Oh wow. Look at this. Look at this old toilet.
Oh, they should have that sign saying toxic waste or whatever.
Or was it what? Or was it poison gas?
Poison gas. That's
Wah,
it.
wah.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I just love to be photogenic. Oh, can I see something on the phone?
Oh, can you film him? He wants to be.
Guys, welcome to the Pacific Southwest Museum. And I just went out. I have autism. And please be kind. And I love steam engines and diesel engines. Hope to see you soon. And please keep recycling and dance and keep the tradition alive. And please give autistic women and actress women and positive attitude, kindness, cooperation, and keep the history alive.
Yay! Terrific. Thank you for your PSA.
I would love to.
How did we get back?
Did you hear? I was staying calm, but I was like, we're in the middle